Hello everybody, this is me Kevin. Now, you guys probably have your own personal food, like one that you made that's your own thing. You know, it could be anything. Like you made a new sandwich, hot dog, pizza, or whatever. You probably have your own kind of food. I do as well. So today, we're going to make a cheese sandwich. Now, when I told people about my own personal food, cheese sandwich, they said, grilled cheese? No, I will show you, and I will prove to you all that it is not grilled cheese. First things first, you're gonna need bread and cheese. And you're also gonna need a plate and a microwave. Here are the steps to making grilled cheese. No, cheese sandwich. Alright, remember, this is a cheese sandwich. Now, here are the steps. Get bread. 2 for a sandwich. And if you want to make lots of them, get more. You can get as many as you want. Now, you shouldn't have holes like these because they will interfere with the process of making cheese sandwich. Now, the cheese I'm asking for is like shredded mozzarella cheese. Now, if it's shredded but it's not mozzarella, that's fine. You could use like your favorite cheese, but you can't use cream cheese. That won't work here. So you just put cheese there. You can put as many cheese as you like. You can overflow it if you want to. That's all you have to do. Just put as many cheese as you like. Then, you close them up. That's step 2. Or whatever step this is. Now, the next step is to do this. You have to put it in the microwave. Then, you have these buttons and stuff. Many of you probably don't know what a microwave is, so I'm going to have to go through each step. So then, there's numbers here, which you probably don't know what they are as well. You're going to have to press 1, and once you do, it means 1 minute. So we're going to watch. Next step, put the stuff there, and then wait for 5 minutes, which is I suggest, and then you can eat your sandwich. If you feel that your sandwich is lacking, then no worries. I have the extra stuff for you. I suggest you add ketchup, mayonnaise, or mustard. That could add some more good quality for your good quality food. But if you still feel like it's still lacking, I suggest add some bologna. These are some additions that I would recommend. Now, if you have other stuff you want to add, like maybe make it like a sandwich, fine. But remember, never use drugs as a good supplement to add to the sandwich, because that could be bad for your liver. So, there it is. So there you have it, guys. How to cook a cheese sandwich. Now, do I call this the seal of approval? Yes. It is Spagelraz approved. Now, if you don't know what that is, then just wait for a few more weeks. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm gonna enjoy a sandwich. That's good. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you later. Bye.